Let's see another problem from LeetCode. It's a 34 problem from LeetCode. It's a find first and last position of element in a sorted array. So if you see in this problem, we're just trying to find out like which is the first and last position of the element. Like there is an element given here and our target is 8 and we want to know what is the first index and the last index. So if you see, this is the first index 0 1 2 3, so 3, and the last index of this is it, that's a 4. And for the target 6 we want to know, but we didn't see any value available here, so that's why it's a -1 -1. So in order to solve this problem, it's a very easy to iterate, and that is in a in operation. In operation, we can just go iterate one by one, and then we find that first one. When we find the first one, we put that in a first result, and when it finds at the end, we can track down, and then we can put that. So we can solve this easily using linear search. But here we need to find out the solution in O log n. And whenever we see this order of log n, that means usually that binary search comes into our mind, and that's the way we are going to solve now. So we know the binary search how we do that. So there is already video I have created, so you can go and search in my channel there, and you can just search the binary search. You can find that logic there. I'm going to reuse the same logic here. So let's see, let's write that, and that's very easy. So when I search using the binary search, what I usually do, I need to search two times. Like in the first time, I will do the binary search and I will try to find out the first occurrence. And then again, I'll try run again the binary search, and then I'll try to find out the last occurrence. And that's the way I have to uh, find this item. I can solve this in a two pass. So I have to do this, and when I do the binary search, for the first occurrence, I will search the item, and let's say in a item just I find this, then as soon as I find this, then I will not stop there because there may be some item here in this side left portion. Then again I keep searching in the left side, and then eventually I find this. So in the same way I do for other one also. Like let's say I'm searching for the last portion, and then first I find this. So once I find this, I'll not stop there. I'll just keep searching again in this portion. If there is anything 8 there in other places, and if I find that, I can put that in a result. So that's the way I'm going to solve. So the code will be very much similar to the binary search, almost just one or two trick there. So we'll do that. So let me write the code. Here we are going to return the result. So I can say the result, and it's initially I can say -1 -1, and then I can write the logic for that. For the binary, usually we do with the begin. So maybe begin is 0 here, and the end is the length of this nums, and then it's a -1. So then for the binary search, we write the logic like this, where beginning less than equal to end. Okay, uh, we calculate the mid. We know the logic for the mid. We just use the beginning and then end minus beginning divided by 2. So I'm going to write that. So find the mid. Okay, that's good. Now I'll check if this nums the target, if the target is equal to mids, that is nums, and then index is mid. So if I find the target here, so in a binary search, usually we return the result here itself. Yeah, so we this time we store that result here. So I'll just say result 0 is equal to mid. So okay, I found the result here, but there I will not stop. So again, when I find the result, then I want to search in the left side, in the left portion. So in that way, in order to make the left portion what I do, this end thing, this end, I'll just do mid minus one. That means in the left side, again, I'm continuing my search there. Else if you do not find, then we'll check that whether target target is less than nums beginning. Target less than nums beginning and begin from the begin point. If the target is less than, then again we are going to search in a left side only. So in that case also, I'll do the same thing, end equal to mid minus one. And otherwise else, what I do, the begin, I'll put the begin is equal to mid plus one. That means go to the right side. So this is the search. I search, the first item, and then now I want to find out the last item there. So the first occurrence found, last position we need to find out. So what I do, just copy paste this thing, put it here, and I can initialize this once again. Beginning, that's not a new variable. So this, okay. Then this logic is good, made is good. I can check the target. As soon as I find the target, the result will be in the one because I'm searching for the last item. And but as soon as I find this, the occurrence, I will not stop there. Again, I will search in the right person this time. So that's why just put the plus one. So end will be from the mid, go to the right, and keep searching there. And other conditions are here same. So that's all. And at the end, you can return the result. Let's run this. Begin or mid is a new variable, so here I can put this inside. This also makes a new variable. Time limit exceeds, there is something. Let's check, review the logic once again from the beginning. It's 0, and this is the length of nums minus, that's the good. And mids we're finding beginning and end minus beginning divided by 2, that's also good. Nums main target, then result 0, we put the mid, that's also good. End mid minus 1, that's also nice. Target less than nums. Oh, this is not a nums beginning, but this should be nums mid. Nums mid, and here also then nums mid. Okay, let's run it again. Submit. Oh, no, again time limit exceed. Let's check again. Run it. Okay, so here target less than nums mid, so that's good. And there's a mid minus one, else beginning is mid plus one, that's good. Big beginning. And then second person, you can search for this one. Length nums, length of nums minus one, that's good. And the beginning less than equal to end. Mid is equal to beginning plus end minus one, that's also good. Nums mid and target, in this case result 1 is equal to mid. Oh, okay, so in this case, yeah, so this should be beginning, because when we find, we are searching and we again continue our searching in the right side. So in the right portion we are continuing our searching, that's why they're beginning, the mid plus one, that's the beginning, and that's why we go to the right side. So that's all. Accepted. Submit. Okay, that's a nice solution. So this is the code, you can see once again, and then we'll also see the Java solution. And for the second pass, this is here. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.